Hi, welcome to Rice Graduate Housing. Today I will show you the housing options that Rice offers to graduate students. So join me in this virtual tour and let's get started. Rice Graduate Housing has 3 properties, conveniently located at walking distance from campus. Rice Graduate Apartments are located 8 minutes from campus. The apartments are in an ideal location and only a short walking distance from the Houston Museum District, the Houston Zoo, and Herman Park. Rice Village Apartments are conveniently located 7 minutes walk from campus on Shakespeare Street near Rice Village. And just across the street we have Rice Village Townhomes, which is the newest complex for graduate students. Now, let's take a closer look at the properties. RVA is a 4-story complex featuring a modern design. It offers a variety of floor plans to accommodate the students' needs. The surrounding community is really nice. Green space and trees are present throughout the neighborhood. RVT is brand new and nicely designed and furnished. The 3-story units consist of a 2-car garage and an in-unit washer and dryer on the first level, kitchen, living room, dining room, and a hall bathroom on the second level, and on the third floor it has 2 bedrooms with individual bathrooms. And the best thing about these 2 properties is that they are located in the vibrant Rice Village area, which showcases over 300 shops, boutiques, and restaurants. So you won't need a car to visit some really cool places. Now, let's go to RGA. I am going to show you RGA in more detail because it is the property where I live and work as a resident assistant. And that's me. My name is Victoria Granja and I am currently a 3rd-year PhD student in the Mechanical Engineering department. So let me put my mask on and show you around. So RGA is a garden-style complex. The office and front desk are located at the entrance, and here's where I work as a resident assistant or RA. What we do is basically help residents out and take care of the property. We use this screen to track the bus. All properties are serviced by Rice Shuttle Service, which, during the week, operates on a 15-minute rotation to campus, meaning that it comes every 15 minutes to RGA to pick students and take them to campus. Also, the shuttle operates on weekends and takes students to local grocery shops, so for those without a car, living at Rice Housing is really convenient. We also have these mailboxes. So our job as RAs is also to sort out mails and place them in your mailboxes so that you can pick them up whenever you can. One of RGA's amenities is the Clubhouse. It has a TV, a pool table, and a ping pong table. A lot of great events used to take place here, and hopefully we will bring those events back soon as things go back to normal. Meanwhile, our staff is making sure to host a variety of online events, and also, we frequently have goodies at the front desk for residents to enjoy. We also have patios, where you can go and enjoy some fresh air. RGA offers a variety of floor plans, and internet, water, and building maintenance is provided at no extra charge through the Graduate Housing Service. The kitchen comes with a lot of appliances. Bedrooms are furnished and all apartments come with full bathrooms and walk-in closets. You can check the layout of the floor plans offered by all the properties visiting the Graduate Housing webpage. And that concludes our virtual tour. If you require further information, please do not hesitate to send us an email. We will be more than happy to help. Hope to see you around soon. Bye!